Hey guys, Casey here. Kung naghanap kayo ng murang monitor bracket for your setup, then dito na kayo. With just under 700 pesos, you can already get this product. So this is model HW701 and this will be a quick unboxing and setup tutorial para makita nyo ang laman ng loob ng package saka kung paano to i-set up. Now for the item checklist, we have these screws para makabit natin ang bracket to your monitor. We have the C-clamp na ikakabit sa table and the monitor mount itself. Kayang-kaya ng bracket na ito ang monitors from 14 inch to 27 inches. So this will cover majority of the monitors out there. So VESA is 75 by 75 millimeters and 100 by 100 millimeters. Make sure to check your monitor's compatibility first before buying this product. Although the sizes should fit almost all kinds of monitors. Wala tayong problema on the angles as the arm allows your monitor to move freely at whatever angle that fits your setup.